Justice, members of the court. My learned friend was quite correct to say that this is a case driven by the adequacy of a response. I use the word response because that's a Pavlovian notion rather than an answer, which is an intellectual conclusion to what occurred in this case. The jury had a question. The judge, like a patron in a restaurant where the staff doesn't speak English, thought that if she just stared them down by repeating what she wanted, or what they wanted, I'm sorry, that they would understand if her voice were inflected or raised and her manner of delivery were somehow changed. I listened to the disc, the audio. I didn't hear that, but maybe I was just being faithful to my retainer. If the jury hadn't asked a question, the charge was boilerplate and there'd be no appeal. But the charge, adequate as it was, failed with this jury. We had a model charge, but unfortunately, one size didn't fit all, and this jury didn't get it, didn't understand it, and had a question on the most crucial central aspect. They didn't come back and ask, what should we conclude from the fact that there were three DNA samples on the complainant's underpants, none of which belonged to the accused? Jury articulated a problem. They deserved better from a trial judge than a mere reiteration. And as good as the iteration was, it didn't fit this jury. They didn't get it. And there are more ways, imaginative, pedestrian, call them what you will, of taking a person who doesn't understand the continuum between not knowing anything about anything and coming to a conclusion beyond a reasonable doubt. There's more ways to get from that point to that point than the model charge. And since this jury couldn't get from that point to that point by the model charge, having heard it and read it, then it was up to the trial judge to take them there again with the same idea, with a different use of words, the same way when you're in class and you say to your professor, I don't get it, I don't understand. Yeah.